Canva has transformed into a comprehensive design platform for t-shirt creation in 2025. The platform now offers enhanced AI-powered features that streamline the entire design process for e-commerce businesses. The platform features over 50,000 t-shirt design templates with new additions every week. AI-powered Magic Design creates custom layouts automatically, while the enhanced background remover ensures clean, professional results. Canva now integrates seamlessly with major print-on-demand services, creating a complete workflow from design to sale. 3 major print-on-demand platforms work directly with Canva designs. Printful offers professional quality printing. Guten provides global fulfillment services, and Printify ensures easy integration with e-commerce stores. The custom t-shirt market has reached $4.9 billion in 2024, with 15% annual growth. Print-on-demand represents 35% of this expanding market. Canva users create over 2 million t-shirt designs monthly, demonstrating the platform's massive adoption in the e-commerce space. Understanding proper design specifications is crucial for professional results. Standard t-shirt designs require specific dimensions and resolution settings. Front and back designs should be 12 inches by 16 inches, which equals 3600 by 4800 pixels at 300 dpi. Pocket designs use 4-inch squares or 1200 by 1200 pixels. Color management is essential for professional printing results. Understanding the difference between RGB and CMYK color models prevents printing disappointments. RGB colors work for screens but may look different when printed. CMYK is the printing standard using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks. Always preview designs in CMYK mode before finalizing. Proper composition makes designs more visually appealing and professional. The rule of thirds is a fundamental principle that improves design balance and visual impact. Place important design elements along the rule of thirds grid lines for better visual balance. Use clear typography, maintain adequate negative space, and create visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's eye through your design. With these tools and principles, designers can tap into a rapidly growing market. The combination of Canva's user-friendly interface and professional print-on-demand integration creates unprecedented opportunities for e-commerce success. This represents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs and designers to build profitable e-commerce businesses using Canva's comprehensive design platform and integrated fulfillment solutions. The t-shirt design landscape in 2025 is shaped by 5 major trends that successful designers must understand to stay competitive in the market. Retro revival designs are particularly popular, drawing inspiration from 80s and 90s aesthetics. These nostalgic styles resonate strongly with millennials and Gen Z consumers. Canva provides 3 essential tools that every t-shirt designer should master: Magic Resize for adapting designs across different garment types, Brand Kit for maintaining consistent branding, and Background Remover for creating transparent designs. Successful designers use a multi-platform approach, selling across Etsy for handmade markets, Amazon for massive reach, and Shopify for direct-to-consumer sales. Each platform has unique advantages and customer bases. Understanding the numbers behind successful t-shirt businesses is crucial. Only 15% of uploaded designs generate consistent sales, making quality research essential. Successful designers upload 10 to 20 new designs weekly and price their products between $15 and $25 for optimal conversion rates. 3 critical best practices separate successful designers from the rest. First, focus on quality over quantity through thorough market research. Second, ensure mobile optimization since most customers shop on their phones. Third, maintain strict copyright compliance by using only licensed fonts and graphics to avoid legal issues. Understanding the business timeline is essential for realistic expectations. Beginners typically earn $100 to $500 monthly in their first 6 months. Intermediate designers reach $1,000 to $3,000 monthly after 6 to 18 months, while advanced designers with over 500 designs can earn $5,000 or more monthly. Remember these critical insights. Successful designs typically generate revenue for 18 to 24 months. Holiday designs can see 300% sales increases during peak periods. And consistent quality research is more valuable than uploading large quantities of mediocre designs. Focus on understanding your target audience and creating designs that solve their specific needs.